$374 back. There you go. Another one. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, today I'm having $150, and of course all these indicators and the settings for the indicators, I'm gonna be explaining them in my Telegram group, as I'm always doing that. Okay, Australian Canadian dollars right now, right here, I'm betting $100, leaving 50 there. I do have this, not a decision, but approximate prediction. You can see that AROON is full, Parabox are in the AROON, they are just waiting for the long option, because we are having strong buyers dominance in the market right now, and as I believe that will be really much helpful for us. Not helpful, but it's gonna be logical if we're just using that. Great, good job. That one was really good, and I liked it. So Euro and Huth. Let me draw you something here. The parallel channel. I mean, the current level aligns with the bounce zone, first of all. And the correction seems over, so I'm betting $140 for long, because the buyers are stepping in. There you go. Another one is here, and of course I'm satisfied with that, and I'm happy with that. We do have very strong bullish trend on the euro, and probably XR is kind of supporting that. So and the price, confidently holds above the Kaplan channel. So since I can see the support in the oscillator, I'm going for long, but I don't know why the sellers are kind of stepping in and trying to do something there. I don't think that they will be able to do it, as you can see. For all the time that you rain my parade, and all the clubs you're getting using my name, you think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I am, and I didn't want to write a song. We have 10 seconds left, and we went back. Guess it's back again. Guess it's back, guess it's back, guess it's back. 3, 2, 1. $374 back, and 174 was. So Canadian dollars in the francs, 92% of the income. That's great. I'm gonna raise the bet to 300 right here, and I'm gonna be going for long as well, because first of all, AROON supports the continuation. Accumulation zone is likely to break upward, and yeah, we're kind of having. I mean, we have been having the market above the midline of the Kaplan channel for a long time. So right now, we have already broken the higher upper boundary of the Kaplan channel, and we are just continuing raising and growing, and the entry point is really great, on the same level as the upper boundary of the Kaplan channel. Wow, whoa. I mean, 14 seconds. $276 is profit. First of all, what I'm gonna be doing is, I believe I'm gonna be just raising the bet. I'm gonna be having $400 there, and I'm gonna go for long. sorry, I'm gonna go for short because we have failed to grow. We have failed to, we didn't even try to test the upper boundary of the cat niche channel, and we bounced back from it. And as I believe, at least we have to try and retest the midline of the cat niche channel, as well as the AROON is declining, so going for short. In the meantime, guys, I would like to inform you and remind you again and invite you again to my Telegram private group, because I'm mentioning that in every video, and I'm just trying to explain you the reason why I'm not just explaining and telling you all the necessary data and doing the videos. Because, guys, it is, just try by yourself. It is really hard for me to shoot the video, to analyze the market, and to describe the things and explain the things and the reasons why I'm doing this and that at the same time, like simultaneously. It's kind of tough for me. Great. From $150 to $1,188 in, I guess, approximately in 10 minutes. So that was really nice and brilliant. Again, the link for the Telegram private group is going to be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like and, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Goodbye. I don't know why I did that, but ciao.